Have you ever wondered if there's life on Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon? Imagine a world beyond our own, a celestial body larger than even the planet Mercury. Ganymede, a moon with its own magnetic field, a feature unique among the moons of the solar system. Beneath its icy surface lie vast subsurface oceans, deeper and more mysterious than any on Earth. These aren't just ordinary oceans, they're a world of wonder, a world of possibilities. But what makes these deep oceans so intriguing, you ask? Imagine oceans much deeper than any on Earth, hidden beneath a thick layer of icy crust. That's what we find on Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. These aren't just any oceans, they are believed to be full of salt water, much like our own seas. But how do they stay warm, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to Jupiter's gravitational pull, causing tidal heating that keeps these waters from freezing solid. And these aren't shallow pools we're talking about. These oceans are believed to be so vast and deep, they hold more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Quite the aquatic reservoir, wouldn't you say? So with all this water, could there possibly be life on Ganymede? Life as we know it requires water, and Ganymede has plenty of it. Could this distant moon of Jupiter, with its vast, deep oceans, be a cradle for extraterrestrial life? It's a tantalizing thought. Although the conditions might seem inhospitably harsh to us, remember, life on Earth has a way of popping up in the most unexpected places. We call these resilient organisms extremophiles. As for Ganymede, the research is ongoing. Scientists across the globe are planning future missions to delve deeper into its mysteries. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be discovered on Ganymede.